On a warm summer night, Finn the fox trotted into the forest. Suddenly, tiny golden lights flickered all around him. Fireflies! They blinked and danced like stars fallen from the sky. Finn chased them happily, darting between trees, his paws brushing the soft earth. The fireflies floated ahead, as if guiding him. Curious, he followed deeper into the woods. Soon, Finn reached a hidden meadow. It sparkled with hundreds of fireflies glowing together, brighter than the moon. The meadow shimmered like magic, filling Finn with wonder. He lay down on the soft grass, tail curled around him, and simply watched. He realized he didn't need to catch the fireflies. Just being part of their dance under the starry sky was more than enough.